How to delete all TikTok reposts at once. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of profile. Once you land to your profile page, click on this icon. With that, you're gonna find all of your reposted videos. Now how to delete all of the reposts at once. As if right now there is no such option, but what you can do is delete each video manually. Open a video, at the right corner you're gonna find different options. Click on the share option. Click on the option of remove repost. With that, I have just removed repost for this video. By applying the same process, you can clear all these videos. But in the case you have huge number of reposts, what you can do is click on these three bars. Click on the option of settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option of report a problem. Now scroll all the way down. Click on this option of submit a report. Now over here you have to explain about your issue that you want to delete all of your reposts. As you have huge number of reposts, you cannot delete it manually. So you are requesting TikTok support team to delete your repost. Once you type in that, you can submit it. By following these steps, you can delete all TikTok reposts at once. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.